This is still a single, right? Because this is the same engine. This is the same engine that's in the new Rebel 300. We have a Rebel 500 at the shop. What's up, guys? Asher from Srkcycles.com. Today we have a 2018. This thing's almost brand new. A 2018 Honda CBR 300R. I am excited about this, guys. Great looking bike. Good looking bike. Good looking bike. I get excited over these kind of intro bikes. Intro, beginner bikes, whatever. I have a lot of fun on them. I think they're a blast to ride. And I just love that there's so many options kind of in this range, from the Ninja 300 to the CBR 300, the KTM 390 Duke, what else am I looking for here? Well, this one, the Ninja 400 that they just came out with. It's just, there's a lot in this kind of lower CC, the Yamaha R3, forgot about that one. Everything like the Honda Groms, the Kawasaki Z125s. I love the fact that they're all, they're all there, making bikes accessible, non-threatening, but still looking cool. So, let's get with it. Words of wisdom for the day, 1 Timothy 4:12. Encouraging you to let go of who you think you are, for all Christ has made you to be. Amen. All right, so first thing sitting on this, it was like when I moved it from back there to up here, I noticed right off the bat it was way more aggressive than I thought it was going to be. Like, your feet are actually kicked up. It's still comfortable. I mean, it's no, it's no R6 or anything like that. Woo! Yeah, see, this is why these things are fun, man. You can really thrash on them and rip them, and they don't complain. One of the wisest things I've ever heard, and one of the most true things I've ever heard, is it's way more fun to ride a slow bike fast than it is to ride a fast bike slow. And yeah, I need to agree with that. That's why I like these little bikes. Woo! That's that's a lot of fun. And like that, we're only doing 45. Yeah. This is this bike feels excellent, guys. Brake feedback feels really good. The seating position, like I said, you're definitely pushed up over the handlebars a little bit. Nothing crazy or anything like that, but you're definitely pitched forward a little bit. Again, nothing too bad. It's really, really light, and I mean really light. Like, nothing to it at all. It really is pretty comfortable. It really has this feel though, like, okay, hold up, hang on a second, guys. Woo! Sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm not gonna apologize for that. I'm on a CBR 300 and this thing's fun. So, it's got a big old single. I believe this one is this one's a single. This one's got a single in it. Pretty sure it does anyway. The first, you know what? I actually don't remember. I can't remember if they changed this to a twin for the new ones. I know that when this first came out, this had a big old, it was 296 cc's. It had a smaller one-lunger in it. I don't know if they switched it. I'm sitting here looking at the red line, and I'm almost thinking they may have put a twin in here. I'm not sure. No, you know what? They didn't. This is still a single, right? Because this is the same engine. This is the same engine that's in the the new Rebel 300. We have a Rebel 500 at the shop. This is the same engine that's in the Rebel 300, and that's a single. Okay, yeah, okay, so it's a single. Not a lot of vibration. I mean, it's there. You can kind of feel it back up underneath in the seat a little bit. Kind of hovering right here around like 6,500 RPMs, doing 45 miles an hour. You can feel it up under the seat. Looks like when you get down to about 4K, it goes away. Brakes feel really good. The brakes feel good. The clutch pulls nice and light. I mean, whoop. Sorry. Accidentally hit the horn. So that could cause some embarrassment if you accidentally hit the horn, because it's like right underneath the turn signals. Alright, I'm going to be honest. If I were to have one of these, and I were to go back and kind of hit the twisty roads in the area, my buddies would all lose me on the straight. We all ride naked bikes. My buddies would lose me on the straight, but I'd have no trouble at all keeping up with them through the through the corners. This is what this bike's good at, you know? It's fun to lean over. It's fun to, it just holds its speed really well through corners. Speed, you know what I mean. This is a beginner bike, guys. You can't be too hard on it, you know? You can't be too hard on it, especially as an experienced rider. Well, I'm not experienced. A more experienced rider. I almost hit the horn again. Okay, so far the only issue I have with it is the horn controls are too close to the blinkers. If that's my only problem with this motorcycle, we're in good shape. Again, guys, I'm just a really big fan of these smaller bikes. I rode a Ninja 300 the other week, and it was so much fun. I got caught out in the rain in it too, and it handled itself remarkably well. I see no reason why this wouldn't be the same way. Everything's just laid out really nice. It's just aggressive enough, like the seating position's just aggressive enough to feel, to feel sporty. Like, all right, let's go have some fun, without being like, CBR 600 RR cramped down over top of the front wheel. It's just enough to make you feel like you want to go have some fun without being crazy. I really, really like this bike. Now that I've ridden one, yeah, I'd have no problem at all recommending this to somebody as a first bike. It's very docile when you're going easy on the throttle. It's very non-threatening. It's got a nice little whir to it. One of the things I noticed when I first started riding was the bike that I started on was loud. And that was a little intimidating. It took me a little bit to kind of overcome that sound, that kind of loud sound while you're sitting there trying to learn how to ride this thing. And you're dealing with just this very, audibly noisy piece of machinery. You're not going to get that with this. This has a nice little purr to it, and it's stock. Whoever owned this before, Sean got it. Thank you so much for not doing anything to it. There is no reason, unless you're going to turn this into a track bike, there is no reason to mod a 300. You're not going to have it long enough. And the mods just aren't going to be worth it, guys. So whoever owned this, thank you for not doing anything stupid to it. We all appreciate it. Clutch is nice and light. Oh, throttle hand was a little bit. Yeah, throttle's got a little slacking. Again, it's a starter bike, guys. There's gonna be little things. I mean, if you went over this thing, you can't be too critical of these. You just can't. It's a good bike. It's a good bike. If somebody were to say, hey, I'm thinking about getting one for a first bike, do it. 100% do it. There is nothing intimidating about this motorcycle in the least. So we're almost back to the shop, guys.
Hey guys, if you liked that video, don't forget to subscribe. If you didn't like that video, you can subscribe anyway and just continue watching videos that you don't like. That's whatever. That's fine. You can do that. Nothing wrong with that. You guys still there? I said subscribe and click that little click the little notification button to let YouTube know you want to be notified. We'll see you guys later.